Quarter, but given us about $19 a quarter, $19 quarter, $19 a quarter, $19, $19, $19, $20, but $1 and a quarter.
From the ups and the downs, we've done a lot with a little. We are washed up. July 2017 was an auction. I decided we better buy this fixer-upper. What we call her now is the Money Pit. Let's see why. Well, it's the weekly trip to Menards, but unfortunately we got a call from the neighbor. Yeah. IHI, little crispy. Needless to say, fire department got called and wheelbarrow came out for the rest of this project to move the gravel down into that hole. Now I know how them old timers, I don't know how they did it. That and the fact it wasn't my Mini. My dad was in Florida. Let me tell you, that was a really good conversation. I think he might have drank another beer. Time to bring in the heavy machinery. My dad had this idea to just lift that roof section right off, all 22 feet of it. Now this picture here really puts her into perspective about what he was talking about. It's going to be real close to just tearing her completely down. I had a brainstorming idea to take the telehandler out there and pick up that old junk mobile home frame. Needless to say, she got a little deep. Well, here's a little sneak peek of what's coming up in the next episode. Now we've got plenty more to go as we got a little neighbor interaction, as well as several other things on the improvements of the old pit. Stay tuned. Check out the next episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks.